If you need a compact truck that's big on power, then the 1996 Honda Acty is your answer. Equipped with a 660cc gasoline engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, this beast has 4 WD to conquer tough terrains. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for navigating tight spaces and handling any job you throw at it. With a 4.5-star exterior condition and a clean interior, it's ready for action. Want this mighty mini truck? It's in stock now at Grand Auto Japan. Visit www.grandauto.jp to explore more. Honda Acty truck, small size, big power.